What's up, beautiful people? Welcome to the first non-truck camping adventure video on this channel. This channel will follow us along on a lot of our adventures, whether it be traveling out of country, traveling to different locations, or just doing cool stuff. And don't worry, we have plenty of truck camper footage coming up. But I invite you on a road trip with me and my boys out to Vegas. Why are we going to Vegas? Well, my good friend Mike, who's been in the process of trying to sell his old boat, which I made a pretty cool video of here. This is also where I learned how to surf and attempted my very first 360. And the reason why he is selling his boat is because he's got his hands on a new MasterCraft X26, a yacht certified wake boat. And we're driving all the way out to Lake Mead to see it for the first time. So come along with us and see if any of us can land our very first 360. What's up? The homeboy Steven picked me up. We're about to go on an epic boys trip to Vegas to boat. Let's go. We're taking this behemoth all the way to Vegas to pick up the new boat. Just got out of the car for 11 hours. Made it to the Airbnb. Really nice little pool and jacuzzi. Cool little house. Got us a grill. Got us a pool table, all that good stuff. I watched a lot of Espen. Yeah. Take them all. Oh, that's way right. Sit. Ooh. Look at his bat. Look at this bat.
What's up?
That's a bat.
That's a bug.
That's a bat, bro. Look at this. Look at the wings. I know my bats when I see them.
Very fluttery for a bat.
Yeah, those are fruit bats.
Shut the fuck up.
Shut the fuck up.
You know that's fluttery.
I know, right?
I mean, I grew up with bats all over.
We were so excited to get out of that truck and stretch our legs, so we decided to walk to dinner.
What's up?
We found this great Italian restaurant nearby, and boy, was it good. The next morning, we were going to see the boat in person for the first time. We made it. The moment we've been waiting for is here. This is the MasterCraft X26, a 26-foot yacht certified wake boat. And she's looking just as mean and green as she did in the photos. We took it out for our maiden voyage, and we were excited to head straight to the Hoover Dam. Fun fact, the dam initially was supposed to be called Boulder Dam, named after Boulder Canyon, the place which it resides. But President Herbert Hoover said, "I'll be damned if this dam isn't named after me." So it was abruptly renamed to Hoover Dam. Now the time we all been waiting for. How does this baby serve? I think Mike was so happy with his new boat here, he decided to get in a little closer to give it a little kiss. This is Steve. This is his first time on a boat. Steve, tell us how you feel about your first time on a boat.
It's magical.
It's magical. That's the, we're about to get out here and surf it up. The next day, our friend Shane flew in to join us for another epic day on the water. It's now time for How Cool Can You Jump Into the Water?
That was beautiful. That was beautiful, Tommy. It's about what I expected. All right, here we go. All right.
Oh! Good one, brother.
Was it?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, you look like Jackie Joyner Kersey.
We decided to take a long break and head back to the marina where we ate a few snacks, played with some fish, and waited for the sun to go down so we can have some epic sunset surfing. No, you do it first and then I'll let me show me what you're talking about. You try.
You go. Go ahead. No.
This is Shane, reporting live.
Almost had it, chat.
Alright, now act normal, just flex. Look how good that looks right
What
there.
a beautiful day on the water. We came back early the next morning to load up the boat and head back to Denver. Thank you so much for liking, subscribing, and sharing this video. It truly helps me out. See you next time.